Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and there was chaos in the Manhattan District Court where Donald Trump and Stormy Daniels both were just yesterday. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. Judge Juan Merchan has lost control of his court. I think that much goes without saying at this point. To have this adult star go up there and talk about encounters that she claims to have had with the former president of the United States. Unsubstantiated claims, he still denies them. And I'm not taking a position on whether I believe her or not, or believe him or not, because it's really none of my business. That being said, goes up there and says all these things to the point where Trump is now, cussing under his breath, and the judge goes off on the defense attorney saying, get your client under control, which I think, come on, they are tainting this jury. Then, after Stormy Daniels says all these things, the judge actually reprimands Trump's attorneys and says, why didn't you people object more? And then he's telling the jury, I want you to disregard a bunch of stuff you heard. And they're not going to disregard it. That's useless. But he was asking the Trump attorneys, like, why weren't you objecting? And that's a darn good question, which is probably what Trump was saying to them when he went berserk. Why aren't you objecting? What is this? It's absolute chaos in that court. He is not keeping the court neat and organized the way he should. I want you to take a look at this video. I mean, these are people that should be on the side of Alvin Bragg and the judge here, and they're not. Take a look at this. Let me know what you think. As always, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm Carmine Sabia for Explain America. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.
I mean, this was the sort of tone in the room, right? The pettiness, the smallness, but yet the heart of it. And this cross-examination, a sign of what's to come on Thursday. Stormy Daniels back on the stand. Cross will continue, redirect, recross for this crucial witness. Paula Reed is out front live outside the New York courthouse to begin our coverage. And Paula, this was by far the most compelling and dramatic day of testimony so far.
Yeah, Aaron, it's the most engaged we have seen the defendant throughout this case. But just a moment ago, we received the transcript from today that revealed a previously unknown exchange between the judge and the defense attorneys, where the judge told defense attorneys that he would not tolerate Trump's behavior during Daniels' testimony. He accused Trump of audibly cursing and shaking his head. Now, Aaron, this is significant because this is not something that we have seen so far in the criminal case, though it was the kind of behavior that Trump displayed in his civil litigation. But Judge Merchan making it clear today, this is not something he will tolerate in his courtroom.
It's a very, very unfair trial.
Donald Trump coming face-to-face with Stormy Daniels in court today as she took the stand to tell the jury about her alleged sexual encounter with the then businessman. Prosecutors asked Daniels to identify Trump in the courtroom. She pointed towards him, saying, in the navy blue jacket, with Trump having no visible reaction. After walking through how she got into the adult film industry, the prosecution quickly turned to Daniels' first introduction to Trump at a 2006 golf tournament in Lake Tahoe. That meeting turned into a dinner invitation she initially declined, but her publicist got her to reconsider. What could possibly go wrong? Were his words to me, Daniels recounted with a giggle. If nothing else, you'd get a great story. She described Trump's hotel suite in detail, saying that when she arrived, he was wearing satin pajamas. Does Mr. Hefner know you stole his pajamas? She teased him, asking him to change, and he obliged. Daniels said Trump asked her about the business aspects of her adult film directing and her possibly appearing on The Apprentice. And she briefly asked Trump about his wife, Melania, who had recently given birth to their son, Barron. Recalling, Trump said, "We don't sleep in the same room." The state